The 2016 Australian federal election was a double dissolution election held on Saturday, 2 July to elect all 226 members of the 45th Parliament of Australia after an extended 8-week official campaign period. It was the first double dissolution election since the 1987 election and the first under a new voting system for the Senate that replaced group voting tickets with optional preferential voting. Unusually, the outcome could not be predicted the day after the election, with many close seats in doubt. After a week of vote counting, no party had won enough seats in the House of Representatives to form a majority government. Neither the Liberal National Coalition's incumbent Turnbull government nor the Australian Labor Party's Shorten opposition were in a position to claim victory. During the uncertain week following the election, contradicting his earlier statements, Turnbull negotiated with the crossbench. He secured confidence and supply support from Bob Katter, Andrew Wilkie and Cathy McGowan in the event of a hung parliament and resulting minority government, as seen in 2010. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.